This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. Welcome back to AI Prompt Mastery, the channel where we unlock the best ways to use AI tools for business, creativity, and success. Here a prompt, there a prompt, everywhere a prompt. Prompting is everywhere, and if you're not learning how to master prompts right now, you're leaving money, time, and opportunities on the table. In today's episode, we're diving into the science of prompting. We'll talk about why effective prompts work, how they can change your life, and how the right prompts can literally increase your income. And before we dive in, remember, it's free to subscribe to AI Prompt Mastery. Make sure you hit that button and share this channel with someone who needs to hear this information. Section 1. What is a prompt? A prompt is simply an instruction you give to an AI. It's how you talk to the machine. But here's the secret. The way you phrase it determines the quality of what you get back. Think of it like ordering food. If you say, make food, you'll get something, but probably not what you want. If you say, make me a grilled chicken salad with lemon dressing and croutons, suddenly the chef knows exactly what to do. AI works the same way. Vague input gives vague output. Specific input gives powerful results. Section 2. The science behind prompts. AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini don't think like humans. They run on probability patterns. When you type a prompt, the model predicts the next word based on trillions of data points. The clearer and more structured your prompt, the tighter the prediction. That's why details matter. Roles matter. Formatting instructions matter. You're guiding the model's brain to focus. Here's the formula behind good prompting. Clarity plus context plus constraints equals quality. Section 3. A quick history of prompts. Let's rewind. In 2022, most people typed simple prompts like write me an essay or make an image of a cat. Results were okay, but limited. By 2023, creators started using role-based prompts. For example, you are a YouTube coach. Write me 10 clickable titles. Suddenly, the output leveled up. By 2024, prompt engineering became a profession. People discovered prompt chaining, formatting rules, and system-level prompts that turned AI into specialized assistants. Now, in 2025, prompting isn't optional. It's a career skill. Whether you're in marketing, design, education, or business, knowing how to write prompts is like knowing how to type. Section 4. Why prompts matter in business and life. Prompts are leverage. They save time, multiply creativity, and increase income. With the right prompt, you can create content that attracts customers, automate repetitive work, build digital products in hours, not weeks, train AI to mirror your style or brand voice. Every business owner, coach, freelancer, or creator has the same resource: time. The right prompt multiplies your time into results. This is why I keep saying prompts equal profits. Section 5. Categories of prompts. Let's break down the types of prompts you can use. 1. Instruction prompts. Clear, direct commands. Write a 500-word blog post. 2. Role prompts. Assign the AI a role. You are a marketing strategist. Create a 30-day plan. 3. Format prompts. Define structure. Give me 10 ideas in a numbered list with short explanations. 4. Chain prompts. Build step by step. First outline, then draft, then polish. 5. Creative prompts. Push imagination. Write a bedtime story in the style of Dr. Seuss about an entrepreneur. Each type unlocks a different strength in AI. Section 6. Wrong prompt versus right prompt. Example time. The wrong prompt. Write a business plan. Result? Generic copy-paste fluff. The right prompt. You are a startup consultant. Write me a 2-page business plan for an online fitness app targeting busy professionals. Include mission statement, target audience, revenue model, and a 3-step launch strategy. Result? A plan you can actually use. Same AI, different prompt, night and day. Section 7. Prompt recipes you can use. Here are some copy-paste prompts. Prompt 1. You are a marketing strategist. Create a 30-day social media content plan for a small coffee shop. Include daily post ideas, captions, and design suggestions. Prompt 2. You are a YouTube growth expert. Write 10 video title ideas, 10 thumbnail text ideas, and a 2-week upload strategy for a channel about personal finance. Prompt 3. You are a sales copywriter. Write 3 versions of a product description for a luxury watch. Keep it under 150 words, persuasive, and focused on emotional appeal. Prompt 4. You are a productivity coach. Create a weekly schedule for a freelancer who wants to balance client work, exercise, and personal projects. Include time blocks. Prompt 5. You are a digital course creator. Outline a 5-module course teaching beginners how to use Canva and ChatGPT together to create content. Section 8. How prompts connect to money. Let's talk dollars. Freelancers use prompts to speed up client work. More output equals more clients equals more money. Coaches use prompts to build programs and workbooks in hours instead of weeks. That means faster launches and more sales. E-commerce sellers use prompts to generate product descriptions, ad copy, and visuals without hiring agencies. Lower cost, higher profit. Creators use prompts to script videos, design thumbnails, and plan uploads that grow their channels. More views equals more revenue. Prompt mastery is a skill that pays for itself. Section 9. Mistakes and myths. Mistake 1. Being vague. Write me something won't cut it. Mistake 2. Not giving roles. AI isn't a mind reader. Mistake 3. Forgetting constraints. Word count, tone, formatting. These matter. Mistake 4. Expecting perfection in one try. Prompting is iterative. Mistake 5. Believing AI will replace creativity. It won't. It multiplies it. Section 10. Real-world case studies. Case study 1. A freelancer uses prompt recipes to deliver blog posts in half the time. Doubles their client load, doubles income. Case study 2. A fitness coach prompts AI to write daily posts, then designs them in Canva. Saves $500 a month in design costs. Case study 3. An e-commerce seller uses prompts to generate hundreds of ad variations and finds a winning campaign. Revenue goes up by 30%. This isn't theory. This is happening right now. Section 11. My personal experience. Let me bring this home. I've been using prompts to build this channel. My last 2 episodes, the Canva plus ChatGPT Masterclass and the Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana Deep Dive, were built with prompt recipes. My thumbnails are sharper, my scripts are faster. Prompto, our mascot, is consistent because of prompts. And I've even found workarounds for motion slides that no one else is talking about. If you're interested in seeing exactly how I do it, leave a comment below and I'll make a full video showing you my workflow. If you're starting to see how powerful prompts really are, hit that like button, subscribe for free, and share this channel with someone who needs to hear this. Section 12, the Prompt Mastery System. Here's your step-by-step action plan. Step 1, define your goal. What do you want the AI to create? Step 2, choose your prompt type: instruction, role, format, chain, or creative. Step 3, add clarity, context, and constraints. Step 4, run the prompt, review, and refine. Don't settle for draft 1. Step 5, save your best prompts into a library so you can reuse them. Step 6, build workflows. For example, a YouTube workflow could be script in ChatGPT, visuals in Gemini, text in Final Cut. Step 7, track results and keep improving your prompt style. This is how you build mastery. And there you have it. Here a prompt, there a prompt, everywhere a prompt. The science of prompting, why it works, how to do it right, and how it can literally change your life and income. Remember, it's free to subscribe to AI Prompt Mastery. Hit that button now, and more importantly, share this channel with a friend who needs this information. If you made it all the way to the end, you're my kind of person. Don't stop here. Check out our other videos for more ways to unlock the power of prompts. This is Trapper's Avatar with Grown Man Productions, reminding you, you have to reach millions.
It's the rap